Students, in this class, I am giving you solutions for 10th Mathematics Polynomial Exercise 2.2, question number 2. Already we have covered question number 1. In this question number 2 of exercise 2.2, find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Okay, now see here. In this first question is two zeros are given. One is x equal to, one is x equal to 1 by 4 is there, 1 zeros, x equal to 1 by 4 is there, and another value x equal to minus 1 is there. These two values are given. These two values are the zeros of the quadratic equations that we have to find. You know, the quadratic equations is a sum of the quadratic, sum of the zeros. Two zeros are there. Two zeros means quadratic equations of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now equal to 0. In this, we have to find the x value, sum of the coefficients of the ax square. We have to find the coefficients of quadratic polynomials ax square plus bx, respectively, x square plus bx, x square plus bx plus c, okay, na, equal to 0. So we have to find the values of ax and value of a, value of b, and value of c. You know alpha beta is sum of the, wait a minute, you see alpha, you know, sum of the alpha beta, alpha plus, sorry, alpha, you know, plus beta, alpha plus beta equal to, alpha plus beta, okay, na, equal to minus b by a, okay, na. Here alpha and beta are the zeros of the values. Here alpha is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus minus, indicate minus 1, equal to how much it will be? If 1 by 4, that will be equal to how much it will be? 1 by 4 minus 1, that is equal to, if I take LCM as a 4, then it will be 1 minus 3 divided by 4, okay, that is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 4 means that is minus 2 by 4, minus 2 by 4, correct, minus 3, minus 1, 4, minus 1 into 4, how much it will be? Minus 3 by 4 actually, it becomes minus 4, okay, and it will be minus 3 by 4, okay, now this is here, in this case, that is equal to minus b by a. So here value of b equal to minus 3, value of b equal to minus 3, sorry, no, value of b equal to minus, this is minus 3 by 5, that is minus 3, minus into get minus 3, this is value of b, minus 3, and value of a equal to how much? 4 is there, value of a equal to minus b, value of minus b equal to minus b, here I have to put minus, so in turn it will minus b, here value of minus b equal to minus into minus b, that is equal to plus 3 only, plus 3, okay, now next, then we go for product of alpha beta, product of alpha into beta, product of alpha into beta, okay, now that is equal to 1 by 1 by 4 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. That will be minus 1 by 4. Alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 4. So here the value of, already we have got the value of a equal to 4 is there. So here the value of c equal to minus 1 because here minus 1 by is equal to c by a. Product of alpha beta into equal to c by a. I'm writing here also I'm writing c by a. Okay, now we have got the coefficients of a, b and value. Now we need to find the equation, find the polynomial of the form how much? Ax square, this one is there, ax square bx plus c. Okay, now here in this case. So now we will put the value. We'll put the value, adding the values of a, b and c. We get how much? A, what is the value of a? 4 is there. 4. I'm writing here I'm adding the value in place of a. I'm putting the values of 4x. In place of b, the value of b is 3 is there, 3x square. And in place of c, the value is minus 1 is there. B equal to 3. Okay, here in this case minus 1 is there, minus 1. So 4x square plus 3x minus 1. This is the answer, students. But there is a controversy is there in the answer, because what the answer given in the NCERT book behind, that is different answer is there. Even we have tried to get the answer, but we are not getting that answer. If we go by the rules, of the zeros of the polynomial, this is the answer. That is 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Okay, now as per our understanding of polynomials of sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, we get 4x square plus 3x minus 1 for the question number 1. Okay, now hope you understood. We'll go for question number 2. In this problem, the zeros of the quadratic polynomials is given as square root of 2 and 1 by 3. Now I'm writing the square root of 2 as x. See, I'm writing the square root of x equal to square root of 2, square root of 2 and x equal to 1 by 3. Now these two are the zeros. These two are the zeros of the quadratic polynomials. Okay. Now we have to get. Now we have to what to do? We have to do the sum of the values, zeros of the quadratic polynomial. That is alpha into beta. Alpha, product of alpha beta and sum of the alpha beta. Now first we'll do, what is it? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to, what is that? Minus b by a. This is the rule, is that? Now under this, alpha is equal to square root of 2. Alpha equal to square root of 2. Alpha equal to square root of 2. Okay, then plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. How much it will be? In this case, square root of 2 plus 1 by 3. 3 becomes LCM. I'm directly putting here in this case. Okay, now 3 becomes LCM. If I put 3 becomes LCM, means to top, it will be numerator. It will be 3 into square root of 2 plus 1. Okay, now this will be there. Hope you are understanding. I took LCM. Numerator becomes 3 into square root of 2 plus 1 and denominator becomes 3. Hope you have understood. Okay, this is alpha beta. Then it gives, here 3 into, it is equal to, I'm taking it minus b by a. That is, I'm considering as minus b by a. That is equal to minus b by a. Okay, now then so In this case, b equal to how much? Here I'm writing here. Again I'm writing one more steps. Minus by equal to minus square root of 3 into square root of 2 plus 1. This is minus b by equal to divided by 3, or you can write that I'm writing. I'm taking this here only for better understanding. Minus b equal to this one. Here I no need to write here. Here I'm taking it. I'm writing here. Here minus b equal to how much? Minus b equal to then a equal to 3. Okay, now we got the coefficient values. Minus b equal to 3 into square root of 2 plus 1 and a equal to 3. Because here one more you consider, friends. Minus b equal to this much there, but b equal to how much it will be? Here I'm writing b equal to minus into this one. It will be minus. It will be minus itself. B equal to minus 3 square root of 2. Now we'll go for product of alpha into beta. Product of alpha into beta. Now product alpha into alpha alpha into beta. Alpha into beta equal to alpha into beta. So the alpha a, it will be alpha. Alpha into beta equal to square root of 2 plus 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3. Now that is equal to, in this case also, sorry, this is not plus, this product is there. It should be a multiplication of the two zeros. So it will be the final one. The result will be how much? The result square root of 2 by 3. Square root of 2 by 3. This is answer. This is alpha beta equal to square root of 2. Right? Now in this case, so the c equals, so here c will be how much? C equal to 3 only. Here also c equal to 3 only. C by a, because the alpha plus beta equal to, it will be here what I given is equal to c by a, is equal to c by a. So c equal to 3 is there. C equal to how much? Square root of 2 is there. C equal to square root of 2. C equal to square root of 2. C equal to square root of 2. A already we know, that is a equal to 3 is there. A equal to 3. Now we need to find the polynomial of x square. Just I'm copying this one. See, now we need to find the polynomial of the form ax square plus bx square, bx plus c equal to 0 by adding the values of a, b and c. See here, friends, a, ax square, plus x square plus bx plus c. This is a form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this form we have to identify the quadratic polynomials. What is possibility is there? Here I am adding the value in place of a. I am adding how much? What is the value of a? A equal to 3 is there. Correct? 3 into x square. 3 into x square plus how much b is there? What is the value of b? What is the value of b? I'm writing here minus minus square root of, here see, the value of the b equal to minus is there. Value of the b equal to this much is there. Okay, now this one. Next plus see what is the value of the c? What is the value of the c? 3 is there. Okay, equal to 0. Now we have to reduce this. How to reduce? Now, if you take 3x square, here this is the form is there. We have added from given, here see, for given zeros values of the quadratic polynomial square root of 2, this is 1 zeros and this is 1 zeros. By adding these zeros, we are getting 3x square plus b is there. Here x it will become bx plus c. Okay, now maximum we can do here is, here I am stopping actually, because if we go on simplification, again it will be tedious and not understanding. So we have added the values of a and b, and in this answer also there is a control is there. In the NCERT book, the given answer for these two values are different is there, but what we have done as per the rule only. So as per the rule this will come, but we have to check on what base they have given the answer, that we have to need to check. So I'm stopping this. We'll go for next question. This third question, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial are x equal to 0 and x equal to square root of, x equal to square root of, how much they are given? Square root of 15. They are given square root of 15. So next we have to find the product sum of the alpha beta. Sum of the alpha beta, alpha plus sum of the alpha beta, okay, na, equal to how much? Sum of the alpha plus beta equal to, you know, minus b by a is there. That I will write later. Minus, so minus b by a is there. Now alpha beta equal to how much? 0. Okay, na? 0 plus square root of 15. Square root of 15. What will be the answer? It will be square root of 15 only. It will be square root of 15 only. Alpha beta. So and divide by the 1. Always it will be 1. So if no number is there in the denominator, it will be 1. That is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. So the value of coefficients a equal to how much? 1 will be there, and b, okay, na, b minus b, actually b equal to how much is there? B equal to how much? B equal to, actually minus b equal to 50, square root of 50 is there. So b equal to minus square root of 15. Here you see, here b equal, minus b equal to square root of 15 is there. So b equal to there. Now we'll go for sum of the zeros, alpha, sum of the zeros, alpha, okay, into sum of the zeros, alpha and beta, okay, na, equal to, okay, alpha. The problem is here, alpha into beta. This is alpha always showing alpha. Now it's right. Alpha into beta equal to alpha, how much is there? 0 is there. 0 into square root of 15. Square root of 15. Square root of 15. What is the answer? You know, that is 0 only. That is 0 only. And divide by how much? Always 1. Even we write that is equal to c by a. Okay, na? Alpha into beta equal to c by a. So here also, here from this value we can find a, c we got as c equal to how much? So the value of, so the value of c we can consider as 0 only. Okay, na? C we can consider as 0. Now I'm writing here same. Now we have to add the values in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We got the coefficient, values of coefficient a, b and c, that we are adding in the quadratic polynomial form ax square plus bx plus c. In this form, this is a quadratic polynomial of, okay, na, the degree of polynomial in this case is 2 is there, x square. Okay, na? Now I am adding here. In the case of in a, what is the value of a? What is the value of a we got? From here, value of a equal to 1, right? Here value of a equal to 1 is there. second 1. What's the value of b? What's the value of b? How much is there? Value of b equal to minus square root of 15. Here minus square root of 15 minus square root of 15. Okay, now then what is the value of c? We got already the value of c already, we know 0 is there. That is 0. Sorry, no. So 0 is there. So if we reduce, now we have to write this ax square plus bx. Okay, now ax square plus bx. How can we write? I am writing here x square. Okay, 1 into x square plus into minus square root of 15x. Okay, now square root of 15x. Square root of 15x. Sorry, you have to remove this one square. Plus into minus into square root of square root of 15 into x, and c value 0 is at 0 to c. This is the only answer we can get from the given zeros. I am closing the answer here. Okay, my friends. See, we cannot go back from this. This is the final. Again, considering. Okay, here also there is a controversy is there in the NCERT books. The answer given is different is there. That we need to check how they got answer. But as per the rules, okay, what the given value is 0 and square root of 15. We have added alpha plus beta, sum of the product, sum of the zeros. Answer we got like this. That is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 15, and product of the alpha beta we have got c equal to 0. We have added as per in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That gives this is the answer. So I'm closing now. This is the question. Now we go for next question. In this fourth question of quadratic polynomial, the given values are 2, 1 and 1. They have given 1 and 1. Here I'm writing. Okay, na? Here I'm writing 1 and 1 like this. Okay, na? X equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Correct. Here the values are x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 is there. From these two zeros, we have to identify the values of coefficient. First we have to identify the coefficient a, b and c of the quadratic polynomials. Okay, now to do that we have to go for sum of the alpha beta, sum of the alpha plus beta. Okay, now sum of the alpha plus beta, sum of the alpha plus beta, okay, now equal to minus b by a. This one is there. From this we can write 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, now so if we write in the form of minus b by a, it will be okay minus 2 by 1. Okay, now so that is equal to, okay, 1 minute, that is equal to minus 2 by that is equal to minus b by a. So the value of the coefficients, the values of the coefficients, okay, now the value of the coefficients, a equal to 1, okay, now b equal to minus 2. Then to check the values of c, we have to go for product of alpha into beta, alpha, okay, into beta, alpha into beta, okay, now equal to c by a. This rule is there. Okay, now alpha into beta equal to c by a. In this case, okay, now alpha value 1 into 1, how much it will be? 1 only. Okay, now? Okay, so c equal to, in this case, so c equal to 1, okay, and a equal to 1. Correct? Okay, hope you have understood. Now we have to add the values like this, how we added in the previous problem. Now I'm copying this. Okay, copy. Now I'm adding this value. Now we need to find the polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by adding that. See, I'm adding the values. Okay, now this is the form. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, now what is the value of a? What is the value of a? 1 is there. 1 x square. What is the value of b? Equal to, what is the value of b? Minus 2 is there. What is the value of c? How much? C value 1 is there. C value 1 is there. Ultimately, what will be the final answer? Final answer, if you simplify it, it will be ax square. It will be ax square plus into minus 2x. Okay, now next plus 1. Okay, now plus 1 equal to 0. This is the polynomial, we got it. X square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now here this is answer. For given, see, for given values of 1 and 1, the possible quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 2x plus 1 is there. Okay, but in NCERT book, answer is different. That we need to check. Okay, but as per rule, we are getting this answer. So we'll go for next question. Given zeros of the quadratic polynomial, there are two values given zeros. There are two zeros. One is x equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1 by 4 is there, and another value equal to x equal to 1 by 4 is there. One is x equal to minus 1 by 4 is there, and one more is x equal to 1 by 4 is there. From these two given two zeros, we have to identify the possibility of the quadratic polynomial by using the rule sum of the alpha plus beta, sum of the alpha plus beta, okay, na, equal to minus b by a. This is the one rule. Okay, na. From this, if we add the value of 1 alpha equal to minus 1 by 4 and beta equal to 1 by 4, I am adding now. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. See, in this case, 4 denominator in both values, 4 is the denominator is there, so it will be an LCM. 4 is the LCM. Okay, na? 4 is the LCM. So if 4 is the LCM, what will the top will be minus 1, okay, na, plus 1. You see, top will be minus 1 plus 1 will be there. Denominator LCM 4 will be there. Ultimately, what is that is equal to, okay, na, 0 plus 1 minus 1. It will be 0. Okay, na, divided by 4. That I am writing is equal to minus b by a. So the coefficients a equal to how much? It will be 0. Sorry, minus b. B equal to how much? If minus b equal to, if see here, minus b equal to 0 means b equal to minus 0. Just I am writing, let it be minus 0 only. And a equal to how much? It will be 4. We got a equal to 4. Now we go for product of alpha beta alpha into beta. Okay, now alpha beta, what is the rule? Alpha beta equal to c by a. What is the alpha beta is there? Alpha minus 1 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 4 equal to how much? It will be minus 1 into minus 1. That will be minus 1 only in the numerator, and in the denominator 4 into 4 it will be 16. That is minus 1 by 16. See, so the coefficients in this case, so already a we have got 4 is there, b have, now c, it will be c by a is there. Okay, now I am writing c by a. So a, c by a. Here friends, here 16 is there. Here one confusion is there. Here 4 has come, here 16 has come. So what to do? In the c by a, we have to make it, here 16 is there, a equal to 16 is there. So we have to divide I'm writing, so better to match the values. I'm writing, okay, now 1 minus 1, okay, now divided by 4, okay, now pop numerator I'm dividing by 4, okay, now divided by 16 divided by 4, 16 divided by 4, both numerator and denominator I'm divided by 4, then we'll get the answer minus 1 by 4. We'll get the answer. How much answer we are getting? 1 minute, minus 1 by 4, 4. Better I'm doing like this from here. I don't want to go here. Here friends, better I'm giving here only, because in alpha plus beta 0 by a is there. This case I'm taking here. In this case I'm multiplying here, I'm multiplying here. Multiplying, we have to match the answer. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4. So 0 into 4, this will be 1. 0 into 4, this will be 1, divided by 4 into 4. 4 into 4. Why I am doing this means, from product of alpha beta and sum of the alpha beta, what we are getting the value of a, that should be match. That should match. So I am making here 0 by 16. 0 by 16. Now we got the values of a is 0 by 16. Okay, now so in this case also I no need to go for multiplying. So in this case also 16 is there, a value 16 is there. In sum of the alpha beta, a equal to 16 is there, product of alpha beta 16 is there. So we have tried to match it. So here value of c equal to how much? Minus 1 is there. Minus 1. Now we have to add, you know, x square plus bx square. In this we need to add. Now, this is how the mathematics will be there, friends. You know, these are things are there, we need to do it. Now, to make you understand, we can write by pen on the notebook or by chalk piece on the board, but to make you understand clear cut, we are writing here. The screen, the computer screen only, we are trying to work. And the mathematics, it will help you also. We have to help you and help us to make record and video. See, we need to find the polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So now we have to add the values. What is the value of a? Value of a equal to 16 is there. Value of b, how much? Value of b minus value of 0 is there. So value of b equal to 0. Value of b equal to 0 is there. And c, what is the value of c? Equal to minus 1 is there. So value of c equal to minus 1. So final answer, how much it will be? 16x square, 16x square, 16x square minus 1, 16x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is a possible quadratic polynomial for the given zero values. Okay, so this I am making as an answer, but in the NCERT book the answer is different. That we need to check. So now we go for next question. In this last question of the question number 2, the given zeros are x equal to 4. X equal to 4 is there, and one more zeros, x equal to 1 is there. Okay, now from these two given zeros, okay, we need to find first coefficient. We need to find the coefficient values. What are those coefficient values? Values of a, values of b, values of c. How? By using the rules alpha. By using the rules alpha plus beta. That is sum of the zeros, sum of the given zeros, alpha, okay, now alpha plus beta, okay, now equal to minus b by a. This is one rule is there. From this rule, first we get minus, we try to get value of b and a. Now I am adding the values 4 plus 1, okay, now equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, now that is equal to, if I put this 5 in the form of minus b by a, then that will equal to minus 5 by 1. So the coefficients values are okay. A equal to A. Here A equal to how much? A equal to 1. And B equal to, so here minus B equal to 5 is there, so B equal to 5. Okay now, here B equal to 5. Here A equal to 1, B equal to 5. Now to get the values of C, we have to go for product of given values, that is alpha. Product of alpha and product of alpha into beta, okay now, equal to C by A. Now alpha how much is given? 4 is given, into beta. Alpha how much is given? Alpha 4 into beta 1 is there, right? That is equal to 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4. That we are writing in the form of C by A. Okay, C by A, that is equal to 4 divided by 1. So the coefficient value C equal to 1. Okay now we go for, now we are go for adding the values in the form of x square plus bx plus c. Okay now, x square plus bx plus c, this is the form of quadratic polynomial of the degree 2. Okay now, degree 2 polynomial. Okay now we'll add the values. What is the value of A? 1 is there. What is the value of A? 1 is there. What is the value of B? What is the value of B? B equal to 5 is there. B equal to 5 is there. What is the value of C? C equal to, what is the value of C? Is there? 4 is there. What is the value of C? 4 is there. So okay now, so what is the value of C? 4 is there. A equal to 1, C equal to 4, B equal to 5. Then what will be the final answer? As per the rules, x, x square, okay, plus 5x plus 4, x square plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. This is the answer. As per the rules, sum of the zeros alpha plus beta and product of zeros alpha into beta, we get the coefficients for the given values and get the answer. This is as per our, this is the answer, but in the NCERT book different answer is there, that we need to look into it later. Okay na? So I'm closing this question number 2. Okay na? Please subscribe to our channel, like it and share it. Thank you very much.